Welcome back, champions, to this pre-smartphone graphic design and video editing. So today I'm going to show you how the introduction to Inshot. Okay, so because Inshot is one of the video editor that we'll be using throughout this session of this training, so I recommend we use Inshot. So before that, you need to know some terminologies or some aspect that deals with Inshot. Okay, so Inshot is both in Play Store and App Store. Okay, so let's go to our Play Store and download, because I'm using an Android phone. So just tap on the search button and tap on search for Inshot. So you can see Inshot is available. So here is it, Inshot video editor maker. So I recommend it. We are going to use it making video or in editing videos content, because it's one of the best video editor. So you can see I've already downloaded mine, so you just need to download yours. I think I can open it. After opening it, you will for the first time you need to give them permission to access your media, your gallery, and what have you. Okay, so after that, you can see you can do three things. You can edit picture here, make collage of pictures, and also edit video in general. That is main aspect, that is main perspective. Okay, so let's go for video. You can see I have a lot of projects ready made. So we click on new project in order to make a new video. So you can see it's going to show you something like this, a page like this with separation of videos, photos, and all. Okay, so this will show. So the first thing you do is you can select videos. You need to edit video. Like professionally, you have to get your video before editing them into this application. For example, you need to source your videos. Okay, so maybe if you just use camera or your phone to capture a video, so you must have that resources before coming to this application to edit that. So these are the resources I have, and I can edit them through. So to select any video, you just have to tap on it, and you can see a tick will just show. Okay, a tick will just show. You can see a tick has shown here. So to view it, you just have to long press the video. After long pressing, you will be able to view that video before selecting it. Okay, so let me quickly dive in. Let's add this one. Okay, just click on this tick and add. So here is your workspace. Here is the home page for the entire Inshot. Okay, here is your home page. I will be explaining these buttons. I will be explaining this button one by one for you guys. I will be explaining them. You can see them here, plenty of them here. So I will start with the first one, canvas. You see this canvas, and just in the matter of graphic design, like the first thing you do is you take care of the resolution, that is the size. Okay, so also in video editing, there are format, there are resolution in which you can take your video as. So let's quickly click on this canvas to know what is behind it. So you can see, I don't think if you will understand this way, but you can see there are different resolution. That is, the first one is the fit. That is, you can zoom it using your hand. Just tap on the video and zoom it to that place you want the video to be. And you can also make it in a square format. You can make the video to be in square format, just suggested for Instagram handlers or Instagram content creators. So you can see it is now square. The video is entirely square, so you just need to zoom your video to that position. You can see when you play it, this is how it will be. It will no longer be in that shape. So you can also see for this, you can also see for 9:6 ratio, that is for vertical video, not horizontal video. You can also zoom it and you can see how the video is. Don't worry, this video doesn't have sound. I'll just explain everything to you so that you will deeply understand how or what I mean in this tutorial. So you can see they are also for YouTube. These are size for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and other relative sizes. So there are a lot of sizes, and this is the fit, the normal one. Okay, This is the fit, the normal one. Let's make it 0. So this is the original video. This is the original video that I have. I think I have explained this canvas for you, and you have understood what canvas means. It just means this resolution or how the format you want the video to be. Okay, so the next thing is music. Okay, as you all know music, so in this music aspect you can either select music directly from your gallery, you can make a voiceover of that on that video, you can also like add some effects. Okay, you can add some effects like knocking effect, countdown, fireworks, and the rest. So for the music, when you click on music, it will redirect you to your gallery. It will just direct you to gallery, but before that you can see some ready-made songs. We have ready-made songs that you can use in your video. Okay, so let me just tap on one so that you guys will be able to view it. Let's see this. You can see that. I got your number. Let's try it and see. So you can see. I look at you and it's easy to see. Okay, so and after that you can also take that particular sorry, hand and trim it. That's center of this. Can use it. So just let me play it. You can see. Change it, and also I can like split the unwanted portion of the song. Just split it, click on split, you can see split here, you can see you have splitted it. They are now two, and you can delete any one of them, and also you can reduce the noise. Maybe you make a voice over and there's a kind of like noises backgrounds in the places you are recording, so you can click on noise. You can click on this denoise. You can see the denoise here, and what reduce that particular noise. So you will see. So this is about the noise. Okay. So and this edit, I think. End of the song there will be a fade out, like it will the music will now slowly go down. So there's no stopping us 'cause we own this town. So you can see it has fade out, and even the fade in, you can click on edit. So let's play it and see. Initially, like the volume is increasing. This is how we edit. We can, as I already told you, we can also make record. Okay, so let me say I tap on this record. So now I'll record everything. So let me say this man is jogging, he's exercising, he's doing this and that. So this is the recording. So I will be able to do the same thing just as I did for the music part, just as I did for the music portion. I can also click on edit. Say this man is jogging, he's exercising, he's doing this and that. So say this man is jogging, he's exercising, he's doing this and that. So say this man is jogging, he's exercising, he's doing this and that. So you can see you can do many things with, like you can delete it, in fact, to revert it to original, or take something back. You can see here, just click on here, and that particular effect or element you skip will now come back. Likewise, so I think I'm done with. Even also you can duplicate. For example, if you have a song and it ends, you can click on duplicate to duplicate that particular one. Okay, that is to copy it. So you can duplicate again, duplicate. So this is how we do about music. So the next thing in this music aspect is this effect. So this effect is just like adding some emotional or like passion music fashion effect. So let's click on it and see what is behind it. So there are a lot of there are a lot of there are a lot of how will I put it? There are a lot of music effects like bells, different types of bells, food, social, weathers, popular vehicle. I don't know if you get me, but let me just show you practically what I mean by this. So for example, when we go for bells, we will be able to hear Christmas bell. So you will see another bell to position like there are effect. For example, when the video falls in a situation where someone is knocking a door, you can use this particular effect within that particular position of knocking that door. So that is the purpose or advantage of using this. Maybe in a warning session across your video, you can put this sound, and also the second warning as these are there are also transitions. You can see there are also transitions. You can see. So without knowing all these basic features, there is no way you can succeed in this video editing, because when we start using them, you might be confused. But when you know the feature or the features of each and every element in this graphic design, or in this Inshot, you will be able to understand and get a good background when we start fully practicals. Okay, so after the music session, we have stickers. As we all know, we adding up stickers. Okay, so you can click on add sticker in order to select stickers. As we know, I think we are familiar with that. So there are some also emoji packs. You can download them. There are also emojis pack. Okay, so there are some emojis here. You will be able to use them in particular. So maybe when showing something, when showing a direction, you might use it also. So here are this some you have some GFs. So you can see there are a lot of features here which you can use to boost your videos here. Okay, you can see stadium, sports, and many other features here. So you can use anyone in any direction of using. So let me select, for example, this one. So let me just click on tick. So you can see when you play it on demand chest, this to be, you can tap on it, you can see it here. You can either increase the size of it. Let me play it when after how it appears. So you can also, apart from the sticker portion, you can move it to any position you want. You can see, just long press on it and move it to any position you like. So apart from that, we can add texts. Okay, so you click on text and add text in the, let me say, the man is jogging. Okay, here is the man is jogging, but you can change the color of this man is jogging by clicking on color, and as well as you can see some ready-made at the bottom, some ready-made colors and gradients. So you can choose them. If you manually like to select yours, you can choose the color here first. Let me say I choose black. So I can see border here, you can see border here, shadow here, glow here, level, and opacity. So if you want the text to have a border on it, you can click on the border. Let's say the border should be white. So you can see If you want shadow, you can also change the shadow. Let's say the shadow should be black, and to which side? To the y direction, x direction I mean. So you can see you can easily reduce the opacity of it. So you can see these are just how we edit. You can also make them glow. So you can see what I mean by glow is just, okay, you can make them glow. So, and apart from that, there is font section, font selection. So you can see fonts here. You can see some fonts here. The fonts are limited. If you want any font again, you can click on here to download it online. Okay, so just click on it in order to click on this, and then you can see different fonts available here. So you download. I think the network is not that sharp, but it will have shown the display. So here are the displays. You can now scroll and look for your stable font that you want to use in the particular video design. So you just need to tap on download to download that particular font. So this is about font. Also for emojis, you can download emojis like this. Okay, you can download emojis here. Also for stickers, like you can see them here. So these are the key aspect that deals with this font selection. And also you can add an animation to that text. So click on animation that is here. Just click on here. You can see whether to the basic ones. Here are example. So you can see the man is jogging is now spreading, like from inner to spreading to outside. You can make it like contrasting, making it inner like this. You can also choose the single letters. Okay, you can see it will be appearing one by one. Okay, it depends. You can see different single letters or different categories of making this possible. So you can also see it is already you can see the in and out and love. So the in is how the starting of the text will be, and the out is the ending of the text. What should it be? At times we used to just leave a text with the beginning without ending. So for example, when I just press on tick again for the video to progress, let me just show you some pictures. And at the end of the video it fades. So to edit that or to deal with that, let's go back to our edit. So to go with that, just click on your animation, and if you don't want it to have that ending background or ending animation, just click on out and click on the first one, that is none. You can see this is none. So when you click on it, the video or the text wouldn't have the out animation, it will only have the in animation. Or likewise for the first one, if you don't want the in animation, you tap on this, and if you want the out animation, you can then tap on how the out animation will be. So we have loop. This loop just means like a random. The text will just keep moving like in motion. It won't just display and stay. It will just be moving, just as a typical example. As you can see, it is just moving like randomly. So this is the loop. Okay, here is the loop. You can see how the video is now, how the text is misbehaving. Okay, so this is it. This is all this. So we are done with fonts. After all, we are done with fonts. So we can add auto caption, like when the video have a sound. For example, maybe it is a video or it is maybe an explanation of something. So we can generate auto caption using this button, and it will be like a subtitle using this button. Just click on it. So you can see no current only element in this. So this video doesn't have sound in it, like it doesn't have human sound. So assuming it have human sound, it will search for all the sound and translate it as what, just as subtitle. That is the function of that. And this doodle, it is just used like in drawing. So you can see it when you want to like circular something or reduce the opacity. So we do this, we all do these manipulations. So this is all about this sticker portion. Hope you understand the type. You can also as well duplicate it and then copy it. You can see you have copied this text now. So you can see you can copy anything, you can delete anything. So this is the basic aspect of the basic video editing. So apart from that, we have done with text. Also we can see filters here, so we can add filters or effects. Let's start with effect. So you can see this, the first one is used for zooming. Like if you want to zoom out, the effect of zooming out this man is just tap on it, you'll see, you can see the video now with zoom out. Okay, slow zoom. So this is another zooming, it will just zoom. Okay, you can see zoom out, it will down zoom it like backward, and you can see tremble, how it will be, it will just be like shaking, the video will not be shaking. This is an effect. So these are the basic. You can see glitch also, you can use glitch button, you can see TB fading, you can see different types of effects. So but mark you, using different or too much of this effect will just make your video like not professional at all. So as a professional, you don't need to be using many effects. So I think 1 to 3, just as in terms of graphic design, you use 1 to 3 fonts and colors in a particular design. So you don't no need of selecting different effects, selecting. So that will just make you like design all your work to be the video to be like not professional actually. So you can see these are just effects. You can go through them and see these are just beating. So you can see this is just shaking. Can see this is shaking, this is white. So these are just some effects. Okay, so the next thing after this effect is AI effects. For example, this assume this is a human being, but so we can make an AI effect of this man. Let me say if I want to, just let me show you this. You can see after showing it, the man will now have like a straight line across his border, like a stroke. Okay, so this is what is called AI color. Okay, so you can see the man will just be having some effects. You can see these effects, they are not necessarily, you don't need to use them. Okay, you don't need to use them. You can also use the cloning, that is multiple. You can see it here, you can see it here. So these are also some, so you can also use some effects here. So these are just the cloning effects. Okay, so these are all it. So you can go to your style also. If you have anything just as it, you can use it. So you can see different like different AI effects. Different AI effect, it will just be appearing on the man, and you can see this deal with background. It will blur the entire background. You can see it has blurred all the man's background. So this is it. And also for music, you can see it will make the background in music format. So these are just they are just some effects. Okay, these are just some effects and into this. So you can see some another features is which I forgot to explain first is this. You can see this button. You can add any video to, for example, just as I'm now, I have one clip, that is this. I just have one clip which I added, but so to add another clip, you simply click on it. You simply click on this to add another video. So let's click on it. Don't click on add blank. When you click on add blank, it will automatically show you a blank page without any text on it. So just click on video or photo. So if you have a photo, you click on photo portion and import that portion. If you have a video, click on video portion and take it. So let me select this second video. So you can see Sorry, wait, let me reduce this background sound for this.
Jump in your car and we drive to.
So you can see the second video I uploaded. You can see, as I told you, you can trim also this video. Like if you don't want it to be, you can either tap on here, this edge, this end of it, and reduce it like this. Okay, you can see I'm just reducing it. I'm reducing this video. So
Jump in your car and we drive to.
tap on it, okay, and click on split to split the unwanted part. So if I split here, you can see this portion. So you can see this portion, I can be able to delete it. So there are two method of cutting out. It is either you take the image like this and zoom it to the part you want, or just tap on split and split the video. Okay, just split it and delete it. That is it. So there are two methods. And also between as you know, this video was the first video. This video was the first video I import, and this one is the second, and it happens to be swap. So to change that, like this man to be in the front, to be in the first clip, and this girl to be in the second clip, just long press it. Okay, just long press it. After long pressing it, just swap it. Use your hand to swap. You can see now the man is at the front. The other video is now following the man. So to swap between videos, just as I did, just long press on that clip and then tap on it to just swap. You can see I'm just using my hand to swap. So this is an important also feature. So the next thing is this fifth here. This fifth, it is just used to add like it is used to add a picture. Okay, like for example, if I want to add a video on top of this video, or a picture on top of this video, I'll be clicking on it. So let me click on it to show you. So let me go to colors, and I mean this. So let me add this, just this car. So you can see I added a car on top of this video. Added a car. To add anything, maybe even a video, you can add a video to this, you can add a video to this, and also you can make this to have an animation. Maybe you want this car to possess maybe to just slide down through, you want it to slide right. Okay, you want this car to slide right, you can see slide right here already. So you just tap on this. Let's try. You will see just the car will just come in like this. So these are some animation also. There are some animation. When we start using it, you will be familiar. For now, I'm just guiding us onto the key feature or the key aspect into this. So let's play it and see again. So you can see just the car enters into the video. So you can also if you can see this car already doesn't have background. Assuming it has a background in it, you can click on chroma and select the background to erase. Okay, so for example, when I say I want to erase this yellow part, I think the thing will not work very well because the background of it is already erased. Assuming I have a background in this car, maybe a black background or white background, I'll be able to move this cursor to the white or black background in order to erase that, and I will just be left with the car. So this is the use of the chroma key. Okay, and also this mask, you can see it here. This mask is just used like if you want to mask this element you imported in, maybe in a square or in a circular form or in a love heart shape, you can do also. So let's start with this first one. You can see the car, it will now be like, it will now be in this direction. Okay, so when you click on this, you can see, hope you are seeing, it won't exit above that, it will just be within that shape. All the entire video or design you make will be within that mask shape you imported. So you can see this car will now be within this heart. It will not move above the heart. Okay, so for the triangle likewise, it will be within the triangle. Hope you are seeing, within the star. It will just be within the star. Okay, it will just be within the star. So let me just cite an example so that you will be able to see.
Jump in your car and we drive to the beach.
Then it is within that particular star. It won't move above from that. And also you can change the color. You can see, you can change the color. So you can zoom out. So let me play it now for you guys to see something.
Jump in your car and we drive to.
So you can see, but I don't recommend this masking shape, but in some videos it's necessary we will use. Okay, it's necessary. When we start, we'll be seeing the different types of video that we'll be going through it. So but let me just delete this first. Let me add another pip. So this time around I'm going to select a video. So let me just select this. So here is video. You can see, you can either reduce the size of this video. Let me just place it somewhere here so that you will clearly understand what I mean by this. This is just it. This is the pip. So let me just edit it. And remember, you can also trim. Just as I explained before. You can trim, like you can reduce it, you can increase it. Okay, so when you add anything, you can do many things with it. So let me just delete it. And then I think this split we are familiar is just for splitting text, and this delete is for deleting particular splitted or unwanted design, and this volume is just used for increasing the volume of that particular video. Okay, so this video doesn't have any volume, so no need of even that. For example, if assuming it has a volume, you can also increase the volume and make it a denoise so that all the small or background music will now erase. So this is it. And apart from that, we can see the background color. So when you click on the background, okay, there are three methods. You can either make it the background to be a white background. You can make it, you can make it a color. You can make the background to be gradient. You can also make the background to be a blurred background, and also you can make it to be a standard image. What I mean by a blurred background is you can see you can see these points. These things are the blurred background. Okay, so they are the backgrounds. They are gotten from the original background, which is here. While here are colors, here are gradients, and also here are pattern and texture. You can see them here. So to make this effect into practice, you just have to tap on the video. And you can see it. I'm just using my two. You just use your two hands. Just use your two hands. You can see I'm just using my two hands to like zoom it in and zoom it out. Just use your two hands. So now you'll see the advantage of using the background. So you can make the background to be this. You see the difference? You can make it a blur, but not that thick blur. You can also make it a thick blur, more than the other one. You can also make it this blur. You can also make it this blur. So you can see different types of how you can change the background color. Maybe you can reduce the size. Okay, so you can also make it a gradient. You can see you can make it a gradient background. You can make that gradient. You can also have add some pattern. Okay, you can add some pattern to it. You can add some patterns. You can see. You can just add some pattern, and you can add some texture. You can add some texture. You can add some texture. So these are the basic, basic
And the sand in my shoes.
about audio.
Jump in your car and we drive to the beach.
Is to deal with the speed. Okay, you can see speed here. That is, you can, if this video initially is running at 1 second, 1 per second, so when you increase the speed to, let's say, 3, you are multiplying the speed of this video to 2 point, for example, just as it's 2.1, so it will be more faster than the initial one. When you take it to be times 10, it will be sharp. The video will just be prolonging. So when you reduce it below 1, it will be slow. You can see the video will be slow. You can see the video will be slow. So this is how to deal with the speed. Okay, so let me just take it initially to 1, because we don't even need to be changing it for now. So you can also crop a video. You can crop a video, maybe just tap on here. If you say you want this particular portion, so you can see you can crop a video. You can see you have cropped this video, so you can crop it.
In your car and we drive to the
I don't want to crop it, I'm just showing you for now. So you can crop videos. Also, you can add voice effects, but no audio. Remember, no audio in this. You can duplicate this video, copy it, so you can copy that video. Also, you can copy that video, and you can rotate it. You can rotate it. You can see you can rotate it. You can rotate it. You can also reverse. You can also reverse. You can see it will just like take a little time before like completing the reverse. It will just a reverse. So let's wait and see. So you can see clip reversed. So let's know if you have understand. Initially the man is coming forward, so when I click on reverse, if the man then moves backward to the initial clip, you just tap on the clip and click on replace here, so that if you don't want this clip anymore, you can replace it. Just click on here and then click on replace, and it will take you back to replace that particular video, just as the clip is just clipping, as you know, normally clipping. Okay, normal clipping. So these are the some basic aspects, okay, into this training. So ensure you watch this in order to know the background when we started doing videos, editing with it. And tomorrow probably we'll be using it and this video. So just watch it, learn the terms. When we start fully the practical, you will get more understanding about this Inshot application. It is very nice and interesting.